All right. Uh, in the interest of building all members' business groups, one of the members from Business at Breakfast is, let's start again. Let's go back to the script. I've only done it every week for 10 years. Let's go back again. In the interest of building all members' business skills, a different member each week is charged with presenting on a topic of their choosing for a 3-minute business growth section. Today we have the wonderful Michelle Cochrane, old member but a good member. When I say old, I mean one of the originals from Business at Breakfast, way back face-to-face era, going back starting nearly 10 years ago. So, all right, Michelle, take it away. You got up to 3 minutes.
Okay, so I'm going to talk this morning about goal setting. We've had a few weeks to get into the new year now. We're past that, yay, let's do the New Year's resolution stage and into the idea of actually setting some proper reasonable goals for the year. So I'm going to tell you how to set goals that will actually work and help you achieve what you want. There are 2 types of goals. There are outcome-based goals and there are behavior-based goals. So the outcome goal is, I want to earn 6 figures in my business during 2025, or I want to lose 20 pounds in weight. Now, those are great. They've got a tangible outcome that you can measure against. But there's 2 problems with those. One, they seem so far away and we get dispirited. And there's the whole, are we there yet? Are we there yet? As anyone who's ever driven anywhere with children is used to. And the other problem is we don't actually have a map for getting there. Whereas behavior-based goals are, I want to track my food every day. I want to post on social media 3 times a week. They're a goal of actually doing something that will help you get to your outcome. And if we focus on those, they're a lot more immediate and they give us a sense of accomplishment as we're going along. And more than that, if we follow those every day or every week, the outcome then takes care of itself. So outcome versus behavior goals, we need a bit of both, but focusing on the behaviors will give you a much better chance of achieving your outcome. And that is today's educational snippet.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Michelle.